Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anton Rivaldi from Physics 1B, and I will presentation of reportive scientific report. The title is measurement. Okay, let's go. First, outlines. Outlines is first propose basic theory, tools and materials, procedures, data observation and discussion, consul, cons, conclusions, reference, and appendix. Okay, next. Purpose. First, to know the measurement method about length, mass, and time. Second, to know how to use error theory on the measurement method. Okay, next. Basic theory. First, measurement on physics subject is compared to different things. Second, measurement have uncertainty. Usually, measurement result denoted by x amount x a plus minus delta x. Next, C. Tools and materials. First, ruler. Second, calipers. Third, bottle caps. Fourth, mobile. Fifth, threads or ropes. Sixth, manila paper. Seventh, buffer. Eighth, bottles. Nine, pens, and 10, razors. Okay, next, procedure. Activity 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 one. Is measure bottle cap using vernier caliper. First, make a calipers out of cardboard with an 18 millimeter fixed scale, uh, divided into 20 vernier scales. Second, uh, prepare the bottle cap to be measured. Third, measure the inner diameter, outer diameter, and depth of the bottle cap. And last, record the result. Activity 2. Measure thickness of smartphone using vernier caliper. First, prepare vernier caliper and smartphone. Second, measure the thickness of smartphone using vernier caliper. Third, note the result of measurement. Fourth, repeat the measurement for 3 times. And last, put the measurement result into observation table. Next, activity 3 is measure length of smartphone. First, prepare smartphone and ruler. Second, measure length of smartphone using ruler. Third, note the result of measurement. Fourth, repeat the measurement for 3 times. And last, put the measurement result into observation table. Next, experiment 4, analyze mass of tooth ring. First, understand the case of tooth ring. Second, analyze the case of tooth ring. Third, note the result of analysis. And the last, conclude whether the ring found belonged. Okay, next. Activity 5 is measure mass using simple plan. First, prepare 2 PC, paper, ruler, eraser, pin, SIM ejector, and coin. Second, cut the PC paper into 1000 pieces with some large and name on a name one of mass unit as Q. Assemble ruler and eraser as sample plan. Weigh weigh the mass of pin, SIM ejector, and coin. Note the result of measure and put it in observation measurement table. Okay, next. Activity 6 is measuring the period with a simple pendulum. First, prepare stopwatch on Android and simple pendulum that tied using a rope while the other end is tied with a static. Second, position the pendulum at an angle of 10. Third, release the pendulum will turn on the stopwatch. Fourth, wait until pendulum swing for 10 times. Fifth, note the result of period measurement, and sixth, put the result into the measurement table. Okay, next. The next is observation data and discussion. For activity 1, this is a table for activity 1. You can see, okay, measurement result is x amount xa plus minus delta x. Inner diameter is 3,03 plus minus 0,0005 cm. Outer diameter is 4,31 plus minus 0,005 cm. Depth is 2,5 plus minus 0,005 cm. Next, for activity 4, for activity 2, this is a table for smartphone thickness. Measurement result is x amount x bar plus minus delta x. The rope estimate is 1,96 plus minus 0,02 cm. The mil estimate amount 0,996 plus minus 0,013 cm. The fine estimate amount 1,96 plus minus 0,002 cm. Okay, next. For activity 3, this is a table smartphone length. Measure result x amount x bar plus minus delta x. The rope estimate is 15,198 and 19.4 plus minus 0,16 cm. The mil estimate amount 15,1994 plus minus 0,17 cm. The fine estimate 15,994 plus minus 0,11. Next, assignment 4. Analyze mass of tooth ring in a laboratory activity. Student do groups mass measure exercise. Group I took a mass measurement tooth ring. The measurement results the mass of tooth ring amount 5,11 plus minus 0,1 gram. Finished practicum, Tuti lost her ring. All his friends are trying to find ring. Finally, found a ring on the floor. To test it, the mass of the ring is measured using the scales, the same. The result shows 5,4 plus minus 0,1 gram. Okay, repeat to analysis. The mass of tooth ring amount 5,7 plus minus 0,1 gram. Based on formula of measurement result x amount xa plus minus delta x. So tooth ring mass be between 5,6 gram to 5,8 gram. The mass of founded ring on the floor is 5,4 plus minus 0,1 gram. Based of formula of measurement result x amount xa plus minus delta x. So the mass of founded ring on the floor is between 5,3 gram to 5,5 gram. So based on analysis, the founded ring on the floor is not two test rings because the size range of two objects are different. Okay, next. This is a table for activity 5. Measurements using sample plan. The smallest mass scale 5 dot. Okay, this is the table for measure mass using sample plan. Next. Okay, measurement result n amount n bar plus minus delta n. To object the subject first is coin. The wrong estimate 20,67 plus minus 0,557 q. The milk estimate 20,67 plus minus 0,44 q. The fine estimate 20,67 plus minus 0,33 q. The second subject is pin. The raw estimate amount 43,3 plus minus 0,7 q. The mild estimate is 43,3 plus minus 0,57 q. The fine estimate is 43,3 plus minus 0,44 q. The third of subject is SIM ejector. The raw estimate is 8,3 plus minus 0,7. The mild estimate is 8,3 plus minus 0,57. The fine estimate is 8,3 plus minus 0,44 q. Okay, next. Activity 6. Measure the period with sample pendulum. This is a table for activity 6. Measurement result T amount T bar plus minus delta T. The raw estimate is 1,28 plus minus 0,034. The mild estimate is 1,28 plus minus 0,031 s. The fine estimate 1,28 plus minus 0,027 s. Okay, next. Okay, this is a conclusion. First, measurement method to measure physical quantities, length, mass, and time is based how to measure it. Error theory or uncertainty for measurement method used by finding the deviation between the actual result and the measurement result. This is for reference. I have for reference. This is for picture for the practicum. And thank you for your attention. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.